tire stickers. Let me go and open them to show you. 345 Hemi. So today I was doing, basically I just waxed my vehicle. I waxed it, you know, about it. I washed it yesterday, so yeah. Let me get into the video. Basically, this video is just showing how to install tire stickers, replacement tire stickers, because I had to get new tires from doing burnout. So I just went, you know, hit the sponsor up, was like, hey, can y'all give me a discount? They're like, yeah, we got you. So they sent that out, and I'm gonna just show a video of how to install it. I don't know if y'all heard that new Tory Lanez album, but that shit clean. Bumping that shit right now. So first off, you just want to start off with some acetone. It cleans, you know, the residue, the dirt, the grime. As you can see, I dipped my wheel, so probably on the outer wall, if I have that. So I typically do this. You know, just get an old ass cloth. Help clean and help the cement glue stick to it. And this is a new tire. Like I said, I was doing burnouts on it, so you know. And also these tires they're not bad. I don't know if you guys follow RT Life. He has the blue stroked out 397 Hemi RT, you know. Shout out him. But basically, he put me on some, I looked up some of his videos, and he put me on a good little tire, the Achilles UHP radial tire, 245/40, 245/45 R20. So, it's a good little tire. It's about 77 bucks, 80 bucks. And this was, those are sold out, so I just went with these. And these have actually a weight load on them, so they're for heavier vehicles, and they were $72 a tire. So I grabbed 4 of them, and then I had an extra laying around, and then I burnt it up, so I just put this around. But yeah, you just clean it real good, and so you grab these. Typically what I do is I grab some acetone again. Just put a little dab of it, like a dab of ranch. And you just clean it, you know. Because, you know, you never know what the hell is on these. And it helps it stick better. So I just clean it. Helps it stick a lot better. And it's a lot of residue, and I'm glad I'm doing this. By the way, this is my third set of tire stickers. Comes with the hobby, you know. It's a lifestyle. So now, let's see if this glue. Man, that glue's bad. This is some good glue right here. This glue really, really, really sticks to the tire. So you just, you know, come down, get all of it. I suggest using extra glue too. There's never too much glue, because I remember one time I damn near put the whole fucking bottle. The shit still was coming up. Make sure you get everything, you know. Get it all. You can see, take your time. Oh shit. There we go. Get it all.
Well, where's your time, guys?
just go over it now. Anything you miss, so they can just stick better. You can see, just gets it all. Top now.
I'll look at it tomorrow. Whoa!
Typically go with the outline of the wheel.
Hi. No. Hi.
Press on it. Grip. It's the first 345. Kind of just went with the outline of the tire. And just 345 hit me right there. Say.
A car one. That's GoPro. What are you doing?
Putting stickers on. Tire stickers.
Wait, are you making a YouTube channel?
Yeah. YouTube channel, yeah.
Wait, what is your YouTube channel called?
It's called 300S DOS. Follow me. 300S DOS, yeah.
I always wanted to do a YouTube channel.
So on this side now, you just do the same thing. Just wipe it down. Want this shit to stick, you know. Go over it again.
That's really cool.
Thank you.
What are you doing?
Make sure you know, get all the glue on there. It's never enough.
Not too close. Stop. Thank you.
Just take your time doing this, you know. I'd rather have it done the first time right than going back and doing it. Just take your time. Get all the letters. So what I do is on the letters, I like to go up and down this way. And I'll do that the whole way this way, and then I'll come back and do this way. So the opposite way, so that way you get everything. Put it up there. Go with the outline of the vehicle or the tires. Press and hold for about 10 seconds. Hold it. So you can see some of it's coming up. So. Hold where it's pulling up at, and just hold it for about 5 seconds each, and that glue will just stick to it. There you go. There you go. Do that, run it over. Anything that's not sticking, Good. Everything looks good. I'll just let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, you know, keep going over it back and forth. And I'll show you. Okay, so now I let them sit for about, 10 minutes, just going over them like that, just doing that each way. 10 minutes each way. Anything that didn't stick, you can stick, so. I'm gonna pull this one up real quick. Start on this side. Just pull. Pull it back. Bam. That's clean. Supposed to do this with gloves, but so I pull it off. Anything that is gonna come up later, I don't worry about that now. I don't do that because first I want to drive and then see where it's gonna come off at, and that's how you know it's your weakest point. So pull it off. Clean. None came off. None was peeling. So everything should be good. Also, too, do this in the sun. The sun will help dry quicker. So, bam. Pretty done. Now the Tirestickers. Drop it. To me, that's pretty clean. That's clean. Got mine in the rear. Fresh wax, shout out 3D Speed. The one-step paint correction. Those are, brand new too. But yeah. Oh, shit.